Let's turn up the music and get ready to groove with your little one in this exciting dance party activity. Dancing with your baby is not only a joyful way to bond, but also a fantastic opportunity to enhance their motor skills, coordination, and sense of rhythm. Whether you're swaying gently with your baby in your arms or encouraging them to move their body to the beat, this activity promises endless moments of laughter and connection. Let's hit the dance floor and create some unforgettable memories together. Activity, dance party, materials needed, upbeat music or nursery rhymes, open space for dancing, steps for engagement. Set the mood. Choose a selection of lively and upbeat music or nursery rhymes that both you and your baby enjoy. Create a positive and energizing atmosphere for your dance party. Start the beat. Press play and let the music fill the room. Feel the rhythm and encourage your baby to tune into the music's tempo and melody. Hold your baby close. If your baby is still small, cradle them securely in your arms, facing you or looking outwards. Gently sway, bounce, or rock to the rhythm of the music, keeping the movement smooth and gentle. Express yourself. Let the music inspire you to express yourself through movement. Dance with joy and enthusiasm, allowing your baby to feel the energy and excitement radiating from you. Encourage participation. If your baby is older and able to stand or walk with support, encourage them to join in the dance. Hold their hands or provide gentle guidance as they move their body to the music. Explore different moves. Experiment with different dance moves and styles, from simple swaying and bouncing to more elaborate steps like twirls or claps. Follow your baby's cues and adapt the movements to suit their comfort and ability. Sing along. Sing along to the music or nursery rhymes, adding another layer of sensory stimulation and engagement for your baby. Encourage them to vocalize or babble along with the melody. Celebrate together. Celebrate each dance move and moment of connection with smiles, laughter, and positive reinforcement. Shower your baby with praise and encouragement to build their confidence and sense of accomplishment. Capture the memories. Take photos or videos of your dance party to cherish and revisit these precious moments in the future. Documenting your bonding experiences adds to the joy of parenthood. Benefits: motor skills development. Dancing promotes the development of gross motor skills as babies move their arms, legs, and body in response to the music. Rhythm and coordination. Following the beat of the music enhances baby's sense of rhythm and coordination, laying the foundation for future musical appreciation and movement skills. Bonding and connection. Sharing a dance party with your baby strengthens the bond between parent and child, fostering a sense of security, trust, and love. Emotional expression. Dancing allows babies to express themselves freely through movement, releasing pent-up energy and emotions in a positive and playful way. Tips for a successful dance party. Choose music that is appropriate for your baby's age and developmental stage, with simple melodies and catchy rhythms. Create a safe dance space free from hazards or obstacles where you and your baby can move freely without any restrictions. Follow your baby's cues and adapt the intensity and duration of the dance session to suit their energy levels and mood. Make eye contact and engage in playful interactions with your baby throughout the dance party, reinforcing the connection and joy of shared experiences. Get ready to dance the day away with your baby and create magical memories together. For more interactive activities and parenting tips, visit www.parentinggenie.com.au. Explore our resources to nurture your baby's development and embark on exciting adventures in parenting. Let the music play and the fun begin.